Remember, guys, we're sorting one way. If you blow out, don't let all the cattle run to the other side.
Is this the final decision?
This is the final decision. See, they go better this way, but I guess it is harder for the gate crew.
Do I have to pay
Taylor,
extra for all
can you
that
please come to the
practice?
office, please, Taylor?
Sort go. I let her know. Is she ready? You ready? Pass it back down in the office.
Oh, that one.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Okay.
Jordan and Kathy,
Ready?
like that. 0, 0, 0.
Hey! Hey, 6. Yeah.
1. 1 or 9?
1.
Okay, don't count backwards.
Hey, Taylor! What? Hey, Taylor! What? What? That? What? Watch the
Hey!
slide, quick.
Hey! Too late. No, we'll leave these ones down here.
Oh. I think I'll make that mistake every time.
Okay, blow out. Okay, no time. Okay, this is going to be Bob Beliski and Carmi. They're going to be followed by Robin Armour and Robin Hardy.